Hello everybody. Right now I'm filming a video of my SD70ACe, and as you can see I have taken it apart to install a decoder. The decoder I'm going to install is the QSI Revolution U. Now I have written a comment in my last video that I wanted to get the lock sound select sound decoder. Actually, the reason why I'm going with the Revolution U, because finally QSI came out with the correct engine sound for the SD70s. And that's the speaker right there that came with the QSI package. And I will post another video of it when it's all assembled and working. Alright, stay posted.